If you want to design a Mailchimp newsletter that looks clean, professional, and ready to send, this video will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you are updating an existing campaign or building out your newsletter layout from scratch, Mailchimp gives you the tools to quickly edit blocks, customize styles, and make sure your message looks great on every device. And if you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. First, sign into your Mailchimp account and open the Campaigns area. From there, find the email campaign you want to work on and click Edit next to the mail you want to change. Once the campaign opens, select Edit Design to launch the email builder. This is where you can start shaping your newsletter and making it match your brand. Now that you are inside the editor, take a look at the content blocks in your email preview. To edit an existing block, simply click on it. Once a block is selected, Mailchimp will show you the editing controls for that block. Depending on the content, you will usually see options to move the block, duplicate it, or delete it entirely. These tools are really useful because they let you clean up your layout fast and keep everything organized. If you want to rearrange the structure of your newsletter, you can drag blocks into a new position. This is helpful when you want to change the flow of your content and make the message easier to read. You can also duplicate a block if you want to reuse the same design or keep a similar layout in another section. And if there is a block you do not need, just delete it to keep your newsletter simple and focused. A good newsletter usually has a clear beginning, a strong middle, and an obvious call to action. So arranging your blocks in a logical order makes a big difference. Next, let's edit the actual content inside a block. With the block selected, open the Content tab. This is where you can change the text, swap out images, update buttons, add or edit hyperlinks, and adjust any block-specific settings. For example, if you're using a text block, you can rewrite the copy to match your campaign message. If it is an image block, you can replace the image with a new graphic or product photo. If it is a button block, you can update the button text and link so it points to the right destination. The goal here is to make every section of the newsletter support your campaign objective. After that, switch over to the Styles tab. This is where you control how the selected block looks. You can change the font family, font size, text color, background color, text alignment, padding, and spacing. This step is important because your newsletter should feel consistent from top to bottom. Keep your branding in mind and try to use the same visual style throughout the email. A well-designed newsletter is not just about looking good, it is also about being easy to skim and easy to understand. If your campaign includes visibility settings, you can open the Visibility tab to control when or where a block appears. This is especially useful if you want certain content to show only in specific situations. Always review these options carefully so only the intended content is visible to your audience. Now let's add new content blocks. On the content panel, drag any block you want into your email. Mailchimp gives you a lot of useful options, including text blocks, image blocks, buttons, dividers, video, social icons, and columns. This makes it easy to build a newsletter that has structure, visuals, and strong calls to action. Once you drop a new block into place, you can customize it again using the Content, Styles, and Visibility tabs. As you build your newsletter, remember to keep the layout clear and avoid overloading it with too much information at once. The best newsletters guide the reader naturally from one section to the next. Use headings, images, buttons, and spacing to make the design easier to follow. Before you save anything, preview your email carefully. Check the layout, spacing, images, and formatting to make sure everything looks right. It is also a smart idea to send yourself a test email so you can see exactly how it appears in an inbox. Make sure to check the design on both desktop and mobile devices because your audience may view it on either one. And do not forget to test every link and button to confirm they work correctly. Once you are happy with the final design, click Save and Exit to save your campaign. That is how you design a Mailchimp newsletter step by step, edit blocks, customize the style, and make sure everything is ready to send. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips, email marketing guides, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.